Want to turn your website visitors into paying customers? In just a few steps, I'll show you how to install the Facebook pixel on your Shopify store using Google Tag Manager to unlock powerful event tracking and boost your marketing game. First, let's head to your Shopify dashboard and grab your store's theme code. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then click Themes, find the Actions button and select Edit Code. This opens the code editor you'll be looking for via the Meliquida file. Next, we are going to head over to Google Tag Manager. Log into your Google Tag Manager account if you don't have one. Create an account. Be sure to create a container for your store's domain. Then, let's grab the code snippet. Click on your container ID. You'll find two code snippets. One needs to go in the head Y section of your website's code, and the other goes in the body Y section. Copy the first snippet and paste it into the head section of your the Meliquida file, right after the opening a head Y tag. Then, copy the second snippet and paste it right after the opening a body Y tag. Be sure to save your changes within Shopify. Now the exciting part. Head to your Facebook Events Manager. Access your pixel by going into Data Sources and selecting Pixels. Click Setup Pixel and use the method manually install code. Copy the base code provided by Facebook. Go back to Google Tag Manager, click on Tags and select No. Name your tag appropriately, like Facebook Pixel base code. Click on the Tag Configuration panel. Choose Custom HTML. Paste the Facebook Pixel base code you copied from Facebook Events Manager into the HTML box in Google Tag Manager. Next, click on Triggering. Select all pages to ensure the pixel fires on every page of your Shopify store. Save your tag. To test your work, put Google Tag Manager in preview mode. Enter your website URL. And when you browse your Shopify store, you should see Facebook pixel firing. Remember that properly configuring your Facebook pixel will help you create successful marketing campaigns and accurately track your customers' online actions.